Hey guys, how are we doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is day 28 of the Binance update. Just let me double check that that is indeed the correct information. Yeah, day 28 of the Binance update. So we will go and have a look at those accounts. Obviously you're gonna know what it is because you just read the title, which I haven't posted yet. But right, let's go check MXC first. Just 1 second. Oh, we aren't even over at the charts, are we, guys? Wait a minute, 1 second. If you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, and we will go over to the calculator. That's the one, not the charts. So we have got 0.752. So that's good, that is, because that is basically a 3x. We put 0.25 in here, and that is a now 3x. So congratulations, Dan. Well done. Anyway, let's have a look at Binance and add the Binance up as well. So plus 0.918 we'll call this. So we are at granted 1.67, so 2/3 of the way basically, exactly. So 2/3 of the way. I'm pretty pleased with that. Well, if only we'd just had it as the MXC challenge, and then we basically would have had 3 Bitcoin by now already, rather than 1.67 Bitcoin. But hey, it is what it is. But this is just a an account for this YouTube. So obviously, my main account, I've mainly been trading MXC in quite a bit bigger size than this. So you can only imagine how that is going. But anyway, so 1.67. So I'm really pleased with that. As long as we can keep this run going, we could be at the 2 Bitcoin pretty soon. So yeah, really good, really pleased with that. Done a little bit of business here today. What did I buy? I bought some band. Let's hide some more positions. I didn't buy a lot of it, in all fairness. I just bought it with some profits. But yeah, we've got some band here, so that's obviously on a bit of a pump. And if we have a look over at 3 commas, 3 commas is working away some little extra gains. And has got quite a few take profit bots going at the moment because we have had some big pumps in a lot of these are altcoins. So we have got a couple of them where we've actually had 2 of the safety orders take place, where we've got this one's had completed 2 of a max of 2. So this is one of our original positions we've had open for a while, and these are the new ones that I've got a max of 3 that are all 20%, and it's only so far Ren that has actually hit the second take profit. So yeah, 3 commas is working quite well, and Binance altcoins finally making a move. MXC altcoins obviously going to the moon. Polkadot, Chainx, Edgeware, and Kusama. We've got a bit of Sora and a bit of Ampleforth that has actually decided it wanted to go on a bit of a run up. If I show you, it doesn't look well. It doesn't look much on this chart, but that's because it's come down from quite high. But that was only not too long ago. This is only a 4-hour chart, so it could start to make a bit of a move. So fingers crossed. Only really Kusama is dragging. Kusama is the one that I feel is the best value at the moment. If you look where it is relative to its high here and its high here, I think this could really get going basically. So yeah, that's it. Day 28 of the Binance challenge. 2/3 of the way. 1.67 Bitcoin for 1 Bitcoin, 2 Bitcoin the target. Remember, this is not a financial advice. I'm definitely not a financial advisor, because they wouldn't be making those sort of returns in 28 days, believe me. And I will speak to you guys soon.